Monsoon season special flowers, flourish your garden with rainy season flowers. Hello and welcome my friends, how are you? I am your gardener friend from Gardener's Gardening. Today, I am glad to share with you some beautiful flowers that are special for monsoon season. You all know that rain water is very effective for plants, they gets revived after getting a rain shower. Some flowering plants also gets rejuvenated to produce brilliant colorful flowers in monsoon. So, you will come to know which flowers will flourish your garden in this monsoon if you plant them. Number 1. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea with its vibrant colorful pink, red, yellow, orange, purple blooms add a special charm in our monsoon garden. Monsoon is the best time to plant bougainvillea. If you already have it, you have to trim its branches before rainy season to grow new branches and flowers. For its blooming it needs 5 to 6 hours direct sunlight. As it loves hot dry climate, so do not overwater it. It gives you good flowers if you stop watering. It is good to plant bougainvillea on the ground, but if you grow it in planter, it needs repotting every 2 years for its root growth, and it gives you abundant flowers. Cow dung and goat manure with bone meal powder and potash, you have to apply for flowering. Number 2. Morning Glory. Morning Glory produces attractive blossoms of various colors, red, pink, purple, blue with heart-shaped leaves. Blooming season is May to September. Flowers open in morning and closes in the afternoon. Growing Morning Glory in pot is very easy. It also looks beautiful in hanging basket. It prefers full sunday. It is a very hardy plant and need no such care. It likes well-drained soil, keep it moist but not soggy. Morning Glory grows from seeds. Soak them overnight, then sow seeds in soil. Take care properly to grow the plant. It will give you lots of flowers in monsoon. Number 3. Balsam. Balsam with their varieties of colors like white, pink, red, purple, attract everyone's attention to it. It looks awesome when our garden is flourished with these pretty colorful flowers. It is a quick growing flower. It is called Gul Mehndi in Hindi. These flowers are offered to God and goddesses as puja offerings. Balsam look great when planted in containers, bedding and edging. Balsam grows from seeds. It have Deshi and hybrid, and single and double petal varieties. Now it grows not only in monsoon, but also throughout the year. Seeds are sown in May or June, and flowering gets started in July or August. Balsam prefers fertile well-drained soil, it tolerates damp but not soggy soil, a good drainage hole and warm climate is preferable. You may take normal garden soil, river sand and any good compost as potting mix, and sow the seeds at 5 cm distance between the 2 rows, and you will see small plants emerging within 1 week. Take proper care to get huge flowers. At least 2 to 3 hours of sunlight is needed for good flowering. You can add organic banana peel fertilizers, bone meal and DAP for flowering. Number 4. Marigold. Marigold are very attractive, comes in yellow and orange colors. You grow it in small planters. When it grows up to 2 months, it starts to give flowers. It is also used in pujas and devotional practices. It needs proper sunlight for flowering. Marigold's colorful blooms elevate a simple garden to an exotic one with minimum care. It attracts bees, butterflies to your garden, and gives a heavenly look. Marigold can be grown successfully in a well-drained, well-aerated, fertile soil, with good water holding capacity, and with neutral pH 6.5 to 7.3. Marigold keeps away mosquitoes, aphids and snakes away from your garden. Number 5. Coxcomb. Coxcomb is a very popular and easy to grow monsoon flower plant. It produces feathery flowers in a pyramidal fashion, in a varieties of colors like red, orange, pink, magenta, yellow. It needs full sun and moist soil for better growth. You have to add good quality of cow dung compost in soil to get colorful flowers. It is also called wallflowers or brain celosia. The convoluted flower heads have a shape similar to cauliflower. Mature plant gives woolly flowers, which looks exciting and add vigorous color to the garden. It has no scent. You can also plant Alamanda, Cosmos, Zinnia, Portulaca, Jasmine, Monsoon Cassia, Vinca, Petunia, Dianthus, Plumeria, Indigo, West Indian Jasmine, Golden Shower Tree, etc. You can watch my another video regarding 10 best monsoon flowering plants to get more information. Link is given in the description box. Care tips for monsoon plants. Number 1. Need very little watering in monsoon. Check soil before watering. Number 2. Drainage system must be in working condition, not blocked. Should not be any standing water. Number 3. Humidity high in air, so need adequate light and proper ventilation, otherwise fungus will grow. Number 4. Keep spraying neem oil and fungicide once a week to keep plants healthy. Number 5. Remove weeds and insects as early as possible. Number 6. Do not try to move frogs and toads away, because they are the insect eater. Number 7. Spray carbolic acid for keep garden snake free. Number 8. If possible, shift pots under shade during heavy rain. Number 9. Remove base plates in monsoon, otherwise you have to empty all base plates after every shower. Number 10. Shift all delicate plants, cacti, succulents to a drier space. You can also visit my channel to watch more videos on rainy season guidance for your plants. Link is given in the description box. So, monsoon is the right time to make your garden more adorable with these amazing flowering plants. Enjoy this monsoon with these flowers little more. If you find your rainy season flower from my video, then share it to your friends and family members and encourage them to flourish their garden also. Watch my other videos to get more information about gardening. Subscribe my channel to get regular notification of new gardening ideas, tips and tricks, and lot more than you can imagine. See you soon in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. God bless you. Thanks for your time.